Millennials are facing unique financial challenges that their parents and grandparents never had to deal with. From student loans to rising housing costs, it's easy to see why so many millennials are struggling to get ahead financially. But despite these challenges, there are still some common money mistakes that many millennials are making, and they could be holding you back from achieving your financial goals. Welcome to Knowledge Forum for Doers. Here we give tips and tools to live a rich, happy, and successful life. Today we're going to talk about the top money mistakes that millennials are making and how to fix them. If you're a millennial and you're wondering why you are not making progress with your finances, this video is for you. Stay tuned till the end and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to get more valuable tips like this. Number 1. Living beyond your means. 78% of full-time workers say they live paycheck to paycheck. Now, this might not signal to you immediately that you are living beyond your means. You might be underpaid, living in an expensive area, or have some other financial circumstances putting you in this situation. However, a lot of times you may be upgrading your lifestyle or just overspending, which causes you to barely squeak by every pay period. Take a step back, look at your paycheck, and track your expenses to see where your money is going every week. You may discover that there are areas where you can spend less. Another common mistake millennials are making is living beyond their means. Many millennials are trying to keep up with their peers by buying expensive clothes and gadgets and dining out at fancy restaurants. While it's important to enjoy life, overspending can quickly lead to debt and financial stress. Instead, focus on building a budget and living within your means. Number 2. Saving for retirement late. The consequences of not saving enough for retirement can play out in numerous yet subtle ways. The results aren't always disastrous, but they are almost always sad. Unfortunately, not having enough money for retirement will be a reality for far too many Americans. As Forbes contributor Andrew Biggs noted late last year, roughly 45% of working-age households have no retirement savings at all. That doesn't count Social Security or defined benefit pensions, he says, but millions of families will still run short. One of the biggest mistakes millennials are making is not saving for retirement early enough. According to recent studies, over 60% of millennials have less than $10,000 savings for retirement. If you want to retire comfortably, it's very important you start saving as early as possible. Even if you can only afford to save a small amount each month, it's better than nothing. Number 3. No emergency fund. Essentially, an emergency fund is cash you've saved up for the sole purpose of helping you maintain your everyday life as you navigate through an emergency such as unexpected vehicle repair, a job loss, or an illness. If you're in a financial crunch, emergency savings will give you the safety net to fall back on until you get back on your feet. Life can be unpredictable and emergencies can happen at any time. Unfortunately, many millennials are neglecting to create an emergency fund, which can leave them vulnerable to unexpected expenses. A good rule of thumb is to have at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved in an emergency fund. Not everyone is going to be able to save a big percentage of their income, but try to find 5 to 10% of each pay to put aside. After 1 year of working on your savings plan consistency, you'd be surprised how much you would have put aside. Number 4. High interest debt. Love may not cost a thing, as Jennifer Lopez once sang, but dating sure does, and it's hitting millennials and Gen Z's wallets particularly hard. In fact, 22% of millennials ages 26 to 41 and 19% of Gen Zers ages 18 to 25 have gone into debt from what they spend on dating. High interest debts such as credit cards or personal loans can quickly accumulate and become a burden on your finances. Many millennials are only paying the minimum payments on their debts, which can keep them in debt for years. Instead, focus on paying off high interest debt first and making more than the minimum payment whenever possible. Number 5. Not investing in your education or skills. In today's fast-paced job market, it's important to continuously upgrade your skills and education to stay competitive. Your knowledge, skills, and experience remain with you even when you've lost everything. Investing in yourself in diversifying and updating the skills that you can pick up and use at any point in time, no matter what direction the economy moves. Many millennials are not investing enough in their education or skills, which can limit their career growth and earning potential. Rather, you should consider taking courses, attending workshops, or getting certifications that can help you advance in your career. If you want to get ahead financially, it's important to start making changes today. Whether saving for retirement, living within your means, creating an emergency fund, or paying off debts, every small step you take makes a big difference. If you enjoyed this video and find it helpful, consider hitting the like button and sharing it with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Number 6. Neglecting your credit score. When it comes to what a credit score is, most millennials don't know what a credit score is. A credit score is a 3-digit numerical reflection of your credit worthiness. A credit score of 750 and above is considered very good when applying for loans or credit cards. A good score usually has higher loan eligibility and can match various financial benefits. Your credit score is an important factor when applying for loans or credit cards. Millennials don't monitor their credit score, which can lead to missed opportunities or higher interest rates. Check your credit reports regularly and dispute any errors. Consider using a credit monitoring service or app to stay on top of your credit score. Number 7. Not negotiating your salary. Many millennials accept job offers without negotiating their salary, which can lead to leaving money on the table. Before accepting a job offer, research the average salary for your position and geographic area. Come prepared with a salary range and be prepared to negotiate for fair compensation, especially when starting a new job or taking on a new responsibility. Research the market rates of your position and be prepared to make a strong case for why you deserve a higher salary. Number 8. Not having a financial plan. Many millennials don't have a clear financial plan, which can make it difficult to achieve their goals. Start by identifying your short-term and long-term financial goals. This could include paying off debt, saving for a down payment on a home, or planning for retirement. Then create a plan to achieve these goals. Break them down into smaller, achievable steps and track your progress along the way. Also, take the time to establish short-term and long-term financial goals such as paying off debt, saving for a down payment, or starting a retirement account. Having specific goals can help you stay motivated and on track. Number 9. Not taking advantage of employers' benefits. Many employers offer valuable benefits such as health insurance, retirement plans, or tuition reimbursement that can help you save money and improve your financial well-being. However, many millennials are not taking advantage of these benefits either because they don't understand them or because they don't think they're important. Make sure to review your employer's benefit package and take advantage of any opportunity that can help you save money or improve your skills. Number 10. Using credit cards irresponsibly. Credit cards can be a valuable financial tool, but can also lead to debt if used irresponsibly. Avoid carrying a balance on your credit card as this can lead to high interest charges. Instead, pay off your balance in full each month. If you're struggling to control your credit card spending, consider cutting up your card or using it only for emergencies. In conclusion, millennials face unique financial challenges, but they can overcome them by avoiding common money mistakes and building a strong financial foundation. These means saving up for retirement, living within your means, creating an emergency fund, monitoring your credit card score, investing, negotiating your salary, addressing student loans and debt, and so many more. With these steps, millennials can set themselves up for long-term financial success if adhered to. Thank you so much for watching this video about millennials' top money mistakes and how to fix them. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Building a strong financial foundation takes time and effort, but the reward is worth it. Before you go, if you've enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section telling us some money mistakes you think millennials are making today. Your comment could just be the thing someone out there is looking for. We'll see you in the next video.